Hi, Joni here. A good friend of mine who is fighting in Ukraine needs your help. My friend Khan from France, who is fighting in a unit called Team Kilo in Ukraine, sent me a request. His unit recently lost one of their guys to an FPV drone, and they desperately need backpack jammers to continue their assault missions. He sent me this short video to share with you.
Hello, it's Khan from the Recon Team Kilo. I'm a friend of Joni and UC. Today we ask desperately for backpack jammers for assault groups. As you know now, the war is led by drones, so it's a real nightmare for us when we do a recon mission or assault mission. Slava Ukraine. Slava.
With the 69th Sniffing Brigade, we're gonna launch a new fundraiser to buy 2 backpack jammers for his unit. We have set a page on Help 99's website where you can see all the details. The link for that page is in the description. As usual with the 69th Sniffing Brigade, we have a badge, and we're gonna send that badge to anyone who donates €100 or more. This time it's a Team Kilo badge in honor of Khan's unit. Please share this information with people around you and donate if you can. Any donation helps, even small ones. And again, the link is in the description, and the campaign can be found on Help 99's website. Thank you for your time and support. Slava Ukraini.